What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another dope video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you all how you can use TradingView to analyze your trade on your phone, or better still, how you can use TradingView on your phone. You know, TradingView is one of the biggest apps that we Forex traders use to analyze our trade. I've made a video on how you can use TradingView on your PC, which is your laptop, and a whole lot of people have asked me to make a video on how you can use TradingView on your phone, and that's why I'm making this video for you all. Before we actually get into the video, all you have to do first thing first is to smash that subscription button and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that a lot. Like this video, drop your comments, click on the link in the description, and join my Telegram community. Also, let me know the kind of video you want me to make on the comment section. So after downloading your TradingView from your Play Store, then this is actually what is going to bring out for you. You have your watch list, you have your charts, you have your ideas, news, profile, and every other thing. Here is actually where you sign up. If you already have an account, you can easily log in. If you don't, you can actually create one from here. All right, so now you can actually analyze your trade here, but you only have a maximum of 3 trades to add on your watch list, which basically means that you cannot open some trades. You cannot actually add some trades. Like if you come here and you want to add, let's say AUD USD, for example, if you tap on it, it won't allow you because you are not yet signed in. So for you to sign in, all you have to do is either you can click on your profile, or you click on this 3 button at the left topmost part of your screen, which is here. If you click on it, then it will bring up your sign up page. But I like coming from what profile. Click on profile, then you do what? You click on your email. If you click on email, if you have already created an account, then you just simply type in your email or your username here and then your password and click on sign in. But if you do not have any accounts, you can easily tap on sign up. Once you tap on sign up, you put on your username, email, phone number, then you create your account. I've actually made a video on that on my last video, how to use TradingView. So if you've not watched the video, just simply go and watch it so that you will actually find out how you can create a TradingView account. But in this video, since we've already created, we are simply going to do what? Log in. So I'll simply go ahead and type my email, username, and then finally sign up. So once you are logged in, it's going to bring you on your watch list. All right, as you can see, we now have a whole lot of charts here on my watch list because I'm already signed up. And if you come to your profile, it will bring out your profile account. As you can see, Toby Forex there. So basically, there are a whole lot of things you can do here, but first thing you need to do after you are done signing in is to rotate your screen. Yes, you have to rotate your screen so that it will be more visible, because if you leave it on a portrait like this, if you go to your charts, you discover that you will struggle to do what? To see the chart. So first thing I want to do is to rotate my screen. If you are using an Android, just turn it, and as you can see, it's already done what? Rotated. It will be as if to say you are actually using your PC. So once you've done that, first thing you have to do is to come on watch list. If you come on watch list, there are many things you can do on watch list. Watch list is where you actually select your currency pace that I want to trade, maybe Forex, indices, boom and crash, or whatsoever, crypto or whatsoever. So if you look at the right part of your screen, you are going to see a plus sign. Tap on the plus sign. On the plus sign, then you can actually type in the pay you want. Let me assume you want GBP USD, then there are a whole lot of GBP USD pairs here. So you just basically go across it and select the ones you want. But I already have GBP USD on my chart. So once you tap on it, let me do it again. For example, let me assume you want AUD USD. Once you just type on it, then basically tap on it and it will be added to your watch list. But since this is my account, I already have a whole lot of watch lists that I am monitoring. So all you have to do is to select the trades that you trade and add it on your watch list so that I can easily navigate. So once you are done on it, as you can see, I have many pays here on my watch list, and if you look critically, there are some trades with red flag. The essence is, let me assume there are some basically charts you are looking up to meet your setups, maybe in few days or whatever it might be. You just want to pay much attention to those particular pay, then you can actually flag it. And how do you do that? It's very, very simple. Once you tap on it, then you're going to see these options. You have flag and many other things. So once you just tap on flag, it will be added. For you to remove it, just tap on it and click on what? Remove flag. So if you want to delete any pair, you just tap on this, then you see delete. If you tap on delete, it will ask you, this symbol will be removed from your current watch list. Are you sure you would like to get rid of it? If you are not sure, you can click on keep and it won't be deleted. But if you actually click on delete, then it will be deleted. But you can easily add it back by coming here and type it back, and then you are done doing that. So that's it, all you have to know about watch list. Now let's quickly go to where the main deal is done, which is charts. The any pair you want to analyze, just all you have to do is to tap on it. Let me assume I want to analyze Euro GBP. All I have to do is to do what? Tap on Euro British Pound, and the charts will automatically be open. So this is where the main deal actually happens, and there are a whole lot of things you can do here. Let's start by taking them one after the other. First thing you need to do, as you can see, I already added my time frames here, so it's basically very simple. Let me remove it and show you how I was able to do that. All right, so basically, for you to select your time frame, what you have to do is to click on this place written D. If you click on it, then all your time frames will show up. You can easily select the time frames you want, but most of the times it is more cumbersome, and time consuming for you to be coming here. So what we want to do is to gather all the time frames we usually use to trade, or rather we use to analyze based on the kind of trader you are, and put it in a particular place. So how do you do that? If you click on here, then you tap on the star button. For example, I use daily time frame, I tap on it. Then I use 4-hour time frame, I tap on it. I use 1 hour time frame, I tap on it. I use, as you can see, if you are tapping on it, it will be adding on the boxes here. It will be adding on the boxes here. So with that, I won't be suffering myself switching from clicking on here and going all those places. So I also use 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame, which is it here. So these are basically the time frames that I use as a swing/day trader. And if you use other time frame, you can also go ahead and add it up. So with that, I won't be coming here to change my time frame. I can easily tap on 4 hour from here and it will be there. Tap on 15 minutes and it will be there. Tap on daily and it will be there. So that's the first thing that I need. So the next thing that I need is also to select my tools. The tools that I use, as you can see, these tools here, which is all the tools that I use to trade. This one that I'm moving now, you can see the trend line, you can see the moving these support lines that I use for psychological level. You can see the Fibonacci and many other tools that are added there. The essence is, if I am analyzing, I won't be suffering myself switching to select it. Is already compiled in one place. So this first thing here is actually the arrow. If I click on remove, as you can see, it will be removed here. If I tap on start, it's already removed. So, but if I tap on it, it will be added. So what I want to do is just to go across all these places and star up. Just click on those star depending on the one that I want. If I click on it, it will be added on this box that you are seeing here. So I come on this trend line. Obviously, I need my trend line. I've already selected it. I need this arrow. I selected it. I need this. I selected it. Then I need the horizontal line. I select it. I also need what? Vertical lines, and I selected it. That's the ones that I want here. Then I come on here again. So I actually need my fib retracement. Is one of the powerful tools we use as price action traders. So I will add it. Then I do not need any other thing here. If I come up on text, I basically need my call out. I need call out, so I add it. Then if I come here again, I need my long position and short position. I'll tell you the advantage and why it's used. So basically it's used for, maybe let me assume you are done analyzing your trade. I want to basically share it to someone. Once you click on long trade, you can easily do what? Fix it here. And all those red, green that you see, this is the beauty of TradingView. All right, so that's it here. If it's short, then you can actually place it like this. Select where you want your take profits, to be, and then place your stop loss where you want it to be. For you to remove it, just tap on it and click on delete. As simple as that. So that's basically the first thing that you need to do. Let me delete this. That's the first thing that you also need to know. So, and what else do you know? Okay, we have the alert button. Maybe you want TradingView to actually alert you when the price gets to a particular zone. Then that's where you use this alert option. So for you to use it, you either place it on a particular price, but how I like using it is, for example, let me assume this trend line that I drew. If I want, whenever the market gets to this trend line, for me to be notified, I'll just add an alert to this trend line here that you're seeing here by just tapping on it. Once I tap on it, all this button will show up. And once all this button will show up, look at the first option you see, add alert to trend line. Once I click on add alert to trend line, it will bring on all this option. For me, because I am on a daily time frame, then it will be working on a daily time frame. But if I want it to be on a lower time frame, maybe 1 hour, then I will click on 1 hour. If I click on 1 hour, then I will just tap on the trend line again, then click on add alert. As you can see, it's already on 1 hour. Then I basically click on create alert, and alerts will be added on this trend line. So anytime the market touches those trend line, I will be immediately notified. Another tools that is so powerful here that I can use is replay button, which is this button here. As you can see on the right topmost part of your phone, just click on it and then click on the replay button. Then this arrow, you move it to the place you actually want to do you want to replay, and just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will disappear. So you can basically click on play and see it moving. You can increase the speed by coming to here, so it will be much more faster. As you can see, it's going, basically that. So that's the beauty of TradingView. You can actually cut it by clicking on this times button, and you are in a chart replay mode. Do you want to exit? You click on yes, and it will be exited. So you can actually also zoom in by just tapping on your screen. If you are tapping on screen, bringing your two hands together, it will be zooming in. For you to zoom out, just pull it outwards, and it will also zoom out and zoom in. You can also tap on these prices, and it will be going up, coming down, going up, coming down, so that it will be more beautiful. You can also drag your chart any place you want. That's the beauty of TradingView. You can drag it to any place you want. So you can also add your indicator. If you're an indicator trader, I do not use indicator. For you to add up your indicator, just click on indicator here. Then there are a whole lot of indicators here that you can basically add depending on the ones you use. You can see arrow, many averages, Bollinger Bands. You can easily search up the ones that you want and and add it. As simple as that. So what else can we talk about? Okay, let's talk about maybe adding your support and resistance. You just basically click on this square box, just tap on it, for example here, tap on it here, and then drag it, as simple as that. Then you've added your support zone. So you can change the color by coming on here, select green, many things you can do. Select red. Let me assume you want to select black. Just tap on it and then click on color, select green. As you can see, the green has changed. You can also work on the outline color, maybe come here, yellow, stuff like that. That's the beauty of TradingView. All right, so you can also add your trend line by clicking on the trend line, then you place it where you want it to be. Then you just simply drag it where you also want it to do what? To end. As simple as that. And that's the beauty of TradingView. I'll go ahead and delete it because I do not want them. So next thing that you might want is basically, if you want to share your chart, let me assume you are done on your analysis, and maybe from here you're saying, okay, you're expecting the market to do what? To sell from here, and you are done doing this, right? Then you basically want to just send, or rather share, your analysis with some other person to see it. Maybe share it on your Telegram community or your WhatsApp group or whatsoever that you want to share it. All you have to do is just to come on this zone. Come on this zone here, then you see at the right top part of your screen, you see something looks like a camera, that looks like a camera. Just tap on it. If you tap on it, then it will pop up an option. You just wait for it to load. The option will be what? Share. And as you can see, you can easily copy it. Or you can also share it to what? Let me do it again. Wait for it to load. You can also share it to maybe your WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Gmail, anything or any social media at all. You can easily send it, and the person, once he taps on the link, it will automatically bring him to this page where you have this analysis. With that, anyone can easily access your chart without him having TradingView. You can view it with any browser. You don't need to have any TradingView for you to do it. Once you share it, it's an open source stuff. So if you are watching this video up to this stage and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you are not doing me any favor at all. Please kindly smash that subscription button, be a part of this community. So I think that will be all for this video, guys. Hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, you know what to do. Smash that subscription button. Also tell me other videos you would like me to do or to create for you all, and I will gladly do that. Thanks for all your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.